Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. We are getting up there. We getting through this. Thanks for joining me tonight, and continue to watch if you want to see how to make fried Oreos better than you've ever made them before. Not everyone dip theirs in milk. I choose to just to soften the cookie just a little bit. Right here I have some oat milk. You can use whatever milk you choose. When I say I will never use pancake mix again for fried Oreos, I mean it. Oh my gosh. The fluffiness, the flavor, just perfect. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please try this. It is so delicious and so easy.